Hello, today it is me again, obviously, and today I have my bestest of bestest friends.
Hi.
And she's going to be helping me do a taste test video on these candy, which we've never tried before, but we opened the package because we didn't know if it's going to be hard to open. And then we're going to be trying, or not trying, we've had Yan Yan before, but we're going to make a review on it, so, yep. But, like, what?
Hey.
Yeah, anyways, in this, and this package is really cute. The flavors are grape, cola, and orange. So I'm going to be trying cola, and she's going to try grape and orange. So I think this is a cola. Yeah, it has a little cola man on it. Here's a grape. Ooh,
Packaging is so cute.
I know. It's like, I don't know what it says though.
Yeah.
Bug me. Okay, and here's an orange. Okay, that's cute. Okay, hold on. Actually, I have an idea. Why don't we both try grape, and then you try orange, and I'll try cola.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna open these up. Ooh, they smell so good. This, oh. Here. You can't open it.
Yeah.
Orange one.
Aww.
Oh, it smells good, so nice.
Smells like an orange.
Really?
I like the
Smells
cola.
good. Yeah. And I'm just gonna put that there so you have something to stare at, you know?
Just a little ball.
I can't stop smelling it. This should be like a perfume.
Smells like an orange lollipop. 1,
2,
3. Tastes like an orange lollipop.
I didn't think it was gonna like be sour, but it actually isn't. Wait, what? No, I thought it was gonna be a little bit sour, but it's really not. Okay, never mind. I find.
Okay, wait. It's fizzing, kind of.
Yeah. If you hold it in one spot, then it starts to hurt quite a bit. Yeah. Okay.
I think that's just you. Mine is not doing that.
Hold it in one spot on your cheek. It starts to fizz. No? Okay. Maybe it is just me. I don't know. Ooh, okay. Ow. What? Ow, that kind of hurts. That's not right. Okay. So, I'm going to try biting it.
We both bite it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. I can't bite it. Oh!
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that's really.
Oh, that's sour.
Okay. It has like this fuzz, or I was gonna say fur, but It has like a little bomb. I don't want to say bomb because that sounds weird, but it has like a
little candy surprise explosion.
Yeah, okay. It's like a candy explosion. And it won't stop.
And it's really sour.
Okay, it's not sour anymore.
Because it's like, it dissolves, kind of.
Yeah. So, here are a little white. And we can't read Japanese, so we don't know what it says. But, oh, okay.
Now we're both going to try purple.
This is great.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Oh, this smells like. Smells like
that
grape.
smells good.
Yeah. And it's in the package, and it's actually really cute. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for the cola to go away a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what it looks like. It's actually really pretty purple. It looks like some kind of mineral, doesn't it? Look at that.
It's so cute.
They're like really small, by the way. They're like, here's my pinky. Here's my pinky. No, this isn't my pinky. What? Here's my pinky. Here's the candy. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's
Ooh.
good.
I like that.
Yeah, we tend to say things a lot better.
Ooh. Okay. I don't know if you guys have ever tried. Oh my gosh. Okay. I know what this tastes like. I used
the gummy. The purple gummy.
What?
This is a crazy thing.
Which one? The donut? No. The sushi.
That's creepy.
Sorry, guys. It's a little weird. But, yeah, it does taste like the sushi. Like the little eggs.
Yeah, the jelly.
Yeah, the Papa Cookin' eggs. That's exactly what it tastes like. And it also tastes like, if you guys have been to Daiso, you get those like tubes of gum. Exactly what it tastes like. So it's like grapey.
I'm gonna eat it now.
I'm scared too.
Me too.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh.
With all of my tongue.
Wow. It was stuck to the roof of my mouth and that really hurt. Oh my gosh. Whoa,
you can
man.
choke on this.
Whoa. Okay, so the weird thing about this is it kind of keeps fizzing. Like even if you swallow it, it like forms again. So yeah, it's kind of cool. She's just giving me the weirdest look. She's like, what? Okay, so that was a little weird. They're really good though. I like them. I should bring these to my friend and like get him to try it. Then he'll bite it and he'll be like, oh. I don't know if that'd be kind of mean or not. Okay. So I feel like I need to wash out all that flavoring. So yeah, we'll be back to try the yen yen. Okay, so we're back and we're gonna do the yen yen now. So the battery on my camera's gonna die, so I'm gonna hurry this up. Ooh.
Ooh, that looks
really good.
Yeah.
Smells
Really
like
good.
Hello Panda or Koala March, whatever. So she's gonna take one, and I'm going to take one. And they do have like little pictures on them.
I have a frog.
I have a mole in a hole. Okay, so we're gonna just dip it. You missed. Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I love that.
Yeah.
Whoa. So this is strawberry. Really good. It's like sweet, but it's not too sweet. It's like kind of creamy, really. And a cracker looks like that.
It's just a normal cracker.
It tastes good. Oh, there's a little picture of a mole too. Okay. So I'm gonna just go through and show you guys. There's a chicken, lucky color yellow. Elephant, jumbo. I really like that one. That's cute. And yeah, they just have a bunch of different pictures. I just showed you that one. Let's see. We have another frog. It's just so cute. So yeah, that's the yen yen. I really like these. On a scale of 1 to 10, I rate it.
Whoops.
On a scale of 1 to 10, I rate it about 9.
Yeah, that's
I like it. Here. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, guys, that was it. I'll see you guys next time. And yeah, bye.